How to vertical align text in Google Docs. So in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can make the text vertical or how you can change the align of this vertical text. So let's start with the video. I'm going to show you the easiest way. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Google Docs. So the method is a very easy. Just keep the cursor on the page. Okay, so I have only one page here, and now we need to go to the insert, go to the drawing, go to the new, and here we need to select this text box, drag the text box here and write your text. Okay, you can change the, you can customize your text like this. Okay, you can change the size, color, and okay, so it is done now. Now just select the text and change the, come to this option and change the align in center. Okay, now we need to make it the vertical. Okay, you can select the text and go to this option and go to the rotate and go to the vertical. Sorry, this text is vertical now. Okay, just select this option. This is a round dot, select and click and hold it. Now hit the shift key and just drag like this. Okay, you need to hold the shift key before you move like this. Okay, so when you hold the shift key, it will be move vertically very properly. Okay, so now it is done. Okay, okay, after done, just click save and close. Now just click on it again. Now it will be inserted in Google Docs page as a image. Okay, now just select it and just click on this wrap text option. Now just click on it and you can move it anywhere. Okay, you can make it center. Okay, if you want to make the center, just keep the center and make sure this line come. Okay, these two lines should become vertical and horizontal line. It showed that yours text in center. Okay, you can move anywhere, you can change. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.